Hello, ladies and gentlemen. Today have some food for serving. Its name beef hot fry. So how to make it? The first we cut some ingredients like lemongrass, garlic, galanga, turmeric, and Kaffir leaves. And then we grind all ingredients together and fry it. Yeah, we can see into the pan. This ingredient has grind it. Yeah. After that, we can add some grocery. Yeah, like sugar. Yeah, like sugar, fish sauce, and MSG. Yeah, MSG and salt. Yeah, but we can see the brown color is sugar. Is palm sugar. Yeah, palm sugar. That's it makes from the palm tree. It's made from the palm tree. Yeah, it's a lot in Cambodia, and then we storing until the ingredient is well done. So I forgot to grind the Kaffir leaves and I can add like this. But the green color is the Kaffir leaves. Yeah. And then we storing until the ingredient is well done. Yeah. And then we can add fish sauce like this. Okay, fish sauce. After the ingredients well done, and then we can add the beef meat. Yeah, we can add the beef meat, and we storing. Yeah, we storing. Let the taste combine each other. Yeah, let the taste combine each other between ingredient and grocery and beef meat. Yeah. This food everyone can do it because it's easy. We just uh, we just grind some ingredient like this with oil, and then we can cut into thin slice of beef. Yeah, and then we fry and add grocery, and it's easy. Yeah, every family can do it. If you want to add some vegetable, you can. Yeah, uh, like vegetable like I mean like long bean. Yeah, long bean, and every because it's easy. Yeah, but now we storing it again. We can see we can add the water into the pan. This is the water that we clean the mortar. Yeah, that we grind ingredient, and then we can add it into the pan. If you don't do that, you can add what the glass of water. Yeah, the glass of water. That means we can add a half glass of water into pan also. We can add. We can do that. Okay. We add the waters for make the beef very that means very cook well. Yeah, cook well after the boiling. Yeah. This food I make for my family member. Yeah, makes for my family member, especially my children before to school. Yes, we can see let the boiling. Yeah, let the boiling, and then the beef well done, and with the ingredient. Yeah, I storing, and let the taste combine each other. After the this well done, so we can add the holy basil. But you can see the green color into the pan is the holy basil. Yeah, holy basil is has more benefit for health. Yeah, more benefit for health. Restoring. Okay, restoring, and it's time to test. Yeah, it's time to test it. Whether it's good or lack of any grocery. Yeah. If we after we test it, lack any grocery we can add. Yeah, but this food is enough already. Okay, we can see it is look good color. Yeah, good color. This is lunch food for my family. Okay, this finish time. Okay, goodbye. Thank you.